This is what I've made so far on this platform, 1,736 euro. So I've made a total of a whopping 1.2 million naira from this platform within 1 month. This is super.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm bringing you a brand new video today about Nextgen Academy. I made a video about Nextgen Academy. It's on my channel. If you haven't seen that video, please watch the video. I'm going to leave the link to that video in the description box below, so you can watch that video and understand what Nextgen Academy is about, and then you can see that Nextgen Academy is actually a real company. All right, so you can get a see. Okay, so talking about Nextgen, I just want to talk to us briefly about the earning opportunities and some of the things you benefit from Nextgen. Okay, so why Nextgen Academy? So let's just look at it because you have a world-class training program with Nextgen. So Nextgen, basically, for those of you who haven't seen my other video, let me just say a little about it. Nextgen, basically, it's a training academy that teaches you how to do institutional forex trading. Now, when you say institutional forex trading, we're not talking about retail trading. We're not talking about, let me use the word, roadside trading. We are talking about the kind of tradings that big institutions, big financial institutions like the banks and the likes do. That is the kind of trading they teach you, because it is said that 85% of retail traders, people who trade, 85% of them lose money. Then 10% of those who trade retail trading make a little money. Then the other 5% are the ones that make money. And these 5% actually are the institutions that trade in the Forex market. And when you lose your money, you actually lose your money to the institutions. So why not get trained to do institutional trading with this world-class training program that is on Nextgen? And then with Nextgen, you can build your financial career. That is helping some of us right now to build. I didn't know quite a lot about the Forex market or the Forex trading until I joined Nextgen and I began to understand certain things. Why we lose money. Nextgen has a lot to offer to you that can help you build your financial career. So if you want to build a financial career and make money, then Nextgen is a place for you. Now, with Nextgen, you do not require to have any experience before you can join. You'll be taken from no experience to a professional. That is what the training package looks like. It is a very professional training, and you are even given a certificate after your training to qualify you because the school is accredited. Of course, you get the forex signals that you use to trade. Now, as you learn to trade, the company actually gives you signal. The same trade they are executing, you use the same trade for your own trade. So you get forex signals with which you use to trade. So the same signal that the company use every day is what you get. So if that means if they lose money, you lose money. If they win, you win. And I tell you, because this company has never had a losing week since 2020 that they started this academy, you can be rest assured that you're going to make money if you really want to build your financial career. We're using Nextgen. So that is brief about Nextgen, okay? Brief about Nextgen. So you can see a lot here. Okay, forex signals every weekday. Of course, the forex market is open just Monday to Friday. There's no Saturday or Sunday. Okay, so you have the daily webinars. You follow on trades live on screen, so you can do same. So there's a lot for you to learn with this Nextgen Academy. So this brings me to the point where I would say that this is not a financial advice. I'm not giving you a financial advice, but I found something new, something unique, something different from what we have been doing. Something that is not a Ponzi scheme, something that helps you acquire a skill that will help you build by yourself to become financially independent, or to have your financial liberty, your financial freedom by yourself. If you want to get money, where do you go? You go to where money is. And where is money? Money is in the financial market. That is where we all get money to buy whatever commodity we want to buy. So why not go to the financial market so you can get this money to be able to acquire whatever you want to acquire? I'm only sharing a unique opportunity with you. I'm not giving you a financial advice. It is in no way a financial advice. Like I said, it's just an amazing opportunity I stumbled on, and it's changing my life. So I want to believe that it will change your life too. So let's quickly look at some of the earning opportunities that you have or you can enjoy on the Nextgen Academy. Now, the Nextgen Academy is not an investment platform. It's an academy where you are taught how to do institutional trading. But this company have said you can earn while you learn. And then for you to do that, you have to become active so you can have some active income. Now, it's very, very simple for you to do it. All you need to do is buy a package. So I'll quickly show us what the packages look like. When you buy a package, you have access to all this here. You have access to the training modules. You have winning strategies that you get. So your access depends on your package, and then you earn. For 52 weeks, the company says, we are going to train you to make money. But while we are training you, we will also give you money. So the company gives you 1% of whatever training package that you buy. So it's a money back guarantee. It's a win-win for you. You are learning and then you are also making money. Now, the lowest package is 100 euros. And then you have 200, you have 500, you have 1,000, you have 2,500, and then you have 5,000. Now you don't do more than 5,000 here. Now the difference in all these packages is the access to the live trading support that you get. So this has 12 months. Now for you to become a professional trader, you need to stay on this and practice for a longer period of time. You don't just learn or you just watch the videos and you go away. That is not what Nextgen is about. Nextgen is changing lives and turning a lot of people to professional traders. And when you join platforms that do copy trading, you just copy what they give to you and you pay subscription every month. And when you pay subscription every month, you use your money and then you begin to trade. But with Nextgen, you buy a training package and you are trained. You can equally become a copy trader yourself. You pay for the training package, you are trained, and while you are being trained, your money keeps coming back to you because the company says you are going to be rewarded for even taking this course by giving you 1% of whatever package you buy for 52 weeks. So that is, you're going to make 400% on your training package. Whatever training package that you buy, you're going to make 400%. So that is it about the packages. I just wanted to look at the packages. So for you to get started, you need to pick a particular package and then you buy. When you buy the package, you join and then you start the training, because without buying the package, you cannot get trained. So you buy a package, you start your training, and then you copy the trade. You make money while trading. You also make money from the company while they are still teaching you. Isn't that amazing? Okay, I'm just taking my time. If you notice my video, I'm very calm in it today. I'm trying to give you this. Guys, this is a land that flows with milk and honey. You got to jump on it. This is professional. This isn't Ponzi scheme. This isn't high yield profit or high yield investment programs or whatever. This is changing people's lives. I'm still in the business of learning, and I've heard testimonies of people who didn't know nothing and today they're professional traders because of Nextgen. Bankers are leaving their jobs to do this now because they know the potential and the money that is involved in this. If only they can stand on their feet by themselves and do this. Let's not be lazy and wait for Ponzi schemes and things like that. Yeah, there are some of you whom we can't change your mind, and because of you I will still make videos like that for you. That doesn't really mean that I'm doing Ponzi or I want to do Ponzi, but I'm saying this can change your life for good if you can take advantage of this opportunity. As low as 100 euros you can get started and you make money every single day. So you earn up to 1% reward. Like I said earlier, that is what the company gives to you while you are learning. Mind you, you are being paid this 1% every day and you are still trading and making money. So like I said, it's a win-win for you. At the end of the period, you have made your money back, you have made profit on your money, and you have still earned from your trading. You're still making money from your trading using the signals that is given to you here. This is not done anywhere. This is not done because the other platforms I belong to, in fact, you don't even get this kind of tutorials that can help you stand on your own. There's nobody for you to really interact with. If you go on Udemy, you just buy and then you go, you watch, and of course they'll tell you can talk to the instructor or the facilitator and all that, but the truth is you can't reach them. I've bought a lot of courses from there and it has really not helped that much, because when you have questions, the person is not there. They just expect you to watch. But with this, you have them available for you every day to interact with, to ask your questions. Where you make mistakes, where you're not sure about, you can do that. And now you can learn a new skill for yourself and make money from the comfort of anywhere, from your home, from your office, from wherever. You do not have restrictions with this. You can make your money. Payouts are done like this. You get it 24 hours, 7 days a week. So your commissions are paid like that. Then your daily rewards 5 days a week, because like I said, the Forex market is 5 days. So you get this reward. Your reward comes in just 5 days a week, but for your commission, 7 days a week. So now let's get back to this active income. Now, direct bonus, you get 10% when you tell a friend. Now, a lot of us do affiliate marketing and then we get money from this affiliate marketing. We get paid, okay? We get paid. And a lot of us do paid traffic to be able to get traffic to our affiliate products and things like that so we can get paid. But you don't need to break your head about this. By the time you get started, the training benefits you. You just tell a friend. When you tell a friend and the friend joins whatever academy pack the person buys, the company pays you 10% of that package. And then now you have the team bonus. The team bonus here, depending on the academy pack or the training package that you buy, you're going to earn team bonus. So if you are on this first line, which is between 100 euros to 500 euros, you're going to get 7% of team bonus. And then on this second line here, where you have 1,000 euros and 2,500 euros, you earn 8%. And then here, where it's 5,000 euros, you earn 9%. Now look at the footnote here. Depending on your academy package, you earn 7, 8, and 9% of your smaller team. You need to activate your binary by bringing direct volume of minimum 100 euros on each side. This is simply what it means. This is you. So what you are expected to do is you have 100 euro here, you have another 100 euro here. Okay, so let's say you bought an academy pack of 100 euros and then you want to tell a friend, and once the friend buys 100 euros here, and then you buy, another friend buys 100 euros on your that is on your left and on your right side, you activate your binary status. So you activate your binary status and then you qualify for team bonus. There's a lot to earn. Let's go forward. Residual bonus. Now you can see from your first generation 2% residual bonus, and then up to your 10th generation you have 1%. Okay, so now what happens is when your downlines begin to compound, you have a percentage from what they compound up to the 10th generation. And of course, we'll talk about compound interest in another video, not in this video, because this video is getting long already. Okay, so you end up to your 10th generation. And then you have the renewal bonus. So the renewal bonus, you get direct bonus, just like the first I showed you, and then you get the team bonus. Okay, so now this direct bonus is the friend that is on your left and on your right that you brought in. By the time they have completed their 400% earning cap, they have to reinvest. Let me use that word. That's the best way we can understand this. Okay, they have to, like I said, it's not an investment platform, but I'm trying to use terms that we're familiar with so it's easier for us to understand. So they have to reinvest their course. They have to renew their course. When they renew their course, then you get paid that 10% again. And then because you already have activated your team, you enjoy what? Team bonus as well for your team members. Okay, look at the footnote. Every time someone renews their package in your team, all bonuses are paid again, direct and team bonus. So this direct is the 10%, and of course the team bonus, like I showed you before, that is what you get from your team. So let me just play a video for you, a testimonial video for you to see about someone who joined not too long ago. Although he joined before me and he has made so much money, or he has made some money within a very short period of time. So I'm just going to play the video briefly so you can see the video, okay?
Hello everyone, it's me, your boy, Steve Everest. Today, being the 10th of July 2022, I just want to make a quick testimonial for the platform I joined early last month, 3rd of June. So let me just quickly go here and show you something. I go to the buy package. So I scroll down to see my active package. So actually I registered on the 2nd of June, but then I activated the following day, which is 3rd. I actually activated with a pro starter package of 100 euro. And on the 10th is when I really understood the business properly, everything, and now I upgraded to 1,000 euro. So on the 10th, so today make it 1 month that I really am doing something just with this platform. So now let me go to my dashboard. Okay, of course, I've activated my binary and I'm a qualified trainee on this platform. So I go to my dashboard and guys, this is what I've made so far on this platform. 1,736 euro. So let me take that to convert it to naira, and then let's see. 1,736. So 1,736 times 700. So I made a total of a whopping 1.2 million naira from this platform within 1 month. This is super amazing. I can tell you categorically. I know people who don't earn this for an entire year, even for the next 35 years of their life. And this is just the beginning of it all. This ought to be a residual income, mind you. It's going to be a continuous residual income. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm really happy about this, and I thank God for the day I said yes to this opportunity. Thank God for everything.
So guys, what do you think about the testimony? I guess this platform is amazing, right? That is just a tip of the iceberg. By the time you join the platform, you will understand better. You will see more testimonies. You will hear from people who started from nothing and now they have made it so big. You will be encouraged to build your financial career. So guys, this is an amazing opportunity. There's a lot to earn here. There's a lot to earn here. So, like I said, it's not a financial advice. If you find this video helpful, you find this video interesting, you find this video useful, and you think you want to give it a try, please click on the link in the description box to join my team, join my WhatsApp team, so we can take it up from there. You can ask your questions there, and then sign up, and you can buy a package, and you begin to make money. You make legitimate money, you make decent money. Okay, so you get better, just like I'm getting better and I'm learning. Okay, building my financial career. Yeah, it's a process. So if you're one of such, you're like me. Okay, this is a long-term thing. It's not for somebody who wants quick money. If you want quick money, you will not be patient enough with this platform. But if you want to build a career, you want to build a legacy, you want to build something for yourself, go into real estate and make good money and all that, this is the best platform for you to use. I'm not giving you financial advice. This is what I've decided to do, and I'm sharing it with you. So if you're like me, please join me on WhatsApp, okay? And if you're new to my channel, you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And for my returning subscribers, I say thank you very much for always giving me support on this channel. Don't forget to smash the like button and then leave a comment in the comment section, okay? So you can trigger the algorithm for YouTube to show more people this video so they can get value. Thank you and bye for now.